To create intelligent feedback loops, organizations must balance human and systems intelligence. Systems intelligence, implicit intelligence, drives performance and efficiency by ensuring processes run with precision. Human intellect, tacit intellect, ensures relevance and adaptability, especially when organizations face crises or situations outside the normal process flow. The evolution of orgtelligence. Strong organizations are defined by superior orgtelligence, which is the collaboration between humans and systems. This is not the same as simply hiring smart employees. Competence alone does not guarantee organizational intelligence. Historical progression of systems intelligence. During the agricultural era, around 2,500 years before Christ, systems controlled less than 1% of orgtelligence. First and second industrial revolutions. Systems controlled about 40%, driven by steam power, conveyor belts, mechanization, nuclear power, and electricity. Third and fourth industrial revolutions. Today, systems now control 60% or more, with automation, AI, and digital integration. The deeper insight is that moving from 1% to 40% took roughly 4,300 years. Moving from 40% to 60% took only 220 years. Systems intelligence is evolving at exponential speed. We often overestimate the human role and underestimate the intelligence of systems. Why feedback loops matter. Superior orgtelligence emerges when humans and systems collaborate. To achieve this, organizations must create feedback loops. Analogy: like a plant adapting to its environment, roots search underground for what cannot be found above. Constant feedback makes plants resilient to catastrophe. Application in org. Feedback loops allow organizations to adapt, improve, and remain relevant in changing environments. The orgtelligence feedback system. The flow of feedback begins with activity. Human actions, such as decision-making and problem-solving. System actions, such as calculations and automated processes. When activity is organized within time and space, it produces outputs. These outputs create effects, which must be analyzed. 4 areas of analysis. To understand the results that we deliver or produce, organizations must evaluate. Relationships. How people and entities interact and respond. Effectiveness. The impact of our growth and innovation. Efficiency. The relation between our outputs and inputs. Risk exposure. Potential threats or vulnerabilities. This analysis reveals whether the organization faces a problem or an opportunity. Responding to feedback. When organizations encounter internal problems or opportunities, they may need to create, fix, or end a process. The aim is to increase efficiency and ensure performance. When organizations encounter external problems or opportunities, they must transform or mitigate risk. The aim is to ensure effectiveness and secure relevance. The crux of orgtelligence. To highly perform and remain relevant, organizations must avoid worst-case scenarios, move closer to best-case outcomes, ensure the inside world, processes, runs with mechanical precision, so the outside world, environment, can be navigated with agility. In essence, orgtelligence is the synergy of human adaptability and system precision, sustained through continuous feedback loops. All rights reserved.